So in this tutorial I am going to discuss with you about the results, how we can draw 1D plots, 2D plot, 3D plot in COMSOL Multiphysics. So I am just taking an example of this particular heat transfer problem. So if I want to draw the different 3D plot, so I am just selecting 3D plot group and just selecting volume or anything else do you want to select. So I am just selecting volume, and after this I am just changing the expression from here. So I am just, you can see the energy, I am just taking energy, sensible internal energy. Okay, so here you can see the change in internal, not changing, how much change in internal energy is going to change. Okay, just you can click from here, so maximum and minimum values. Okay, likewise you can also add to the plot group. So I'm just selecting surface. So I for 3D geometry I have, if I want to draw a 2D plot, then I have to select define cut plane of here. So here you can see this is the cut plane. So okay, it will drawn likewise this along the uh, cut plane. Okay, along the cut plane. So here you can see, likewise you can also use contour plots, disabling this and define, not defining, and plot from cut plane. So here you can see this is the contour plot. So I am just changing the number of variables or contour type. So this is the field I am going to use, this is the field contour. If I use tube, then I have to use the tube radius. So here you can see the contour. Okay. After that, mesh with meshing problem, not parents. Wait. Meshing, then it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why. So likewise, you can select surface with height. So define cut plane. You can change the cut plane likewise this, and just plot it. So here you can see the surface with height plot. Okay, if I want to use the deformation, so I will see the deformation in x, y and z, and then plot it. So this is the deform plotting. Okay, if I want to make the animation of this plotting, so you can use animation and player. So it will take some time to run a animation. So here you can see how the internal energy is going to change with respect to time. Okay, if you want to export this, so in the for that you have to go wait, you have to go there, animation and file. So this file can be export, and this animation has been exported in your laptop or system, anything else. Okay, if I want to draw a 1D plot, so for that I have to go to results, then go to 1D plot group, and I'm just selecting line. So I just select line, whatever kind of line you select. So I'm just selecting this and changing the temperature variation with respect to the time. So note this is the time and this is the in hours. Okay, so here you can see for that line there is no change in the temperature. So if I want to if I want to change the different if I am taking this line and removing this line, so here you can see the temperature variation along this particular line. Okay, likewise you can use filters, more plots you can also draw, you can use histograms, likewise. Okay, you can also export animation of this 1D plot group, and you can for plotting 2D plot you can use cut plane, cut line 3D. I'm just selecting and you can see the okay along with this line cut line 2D, more data sets, solution edge 2D, revolution 2D, anything do you want to do you can do. You can evaluate the average of temperature, maximum values of temperature, anything else. Okay, and if you want to export the image, just select image snapshot, and by doing so you can give the path of your file name and file name and just click on OK, so you will get this particular image. If you want to print it, you can print it by doing same. Okay, and here you can enlarge it, zoom in, zoom out, and you can also zoom in at any particular section. Okay, and give the go to default view, 3D view, xy, yz, zx. This is the grid. On this grid will not going to work if you select this show grid. Okay, this is a transparency. Okay, and if you want to do any kind of prop, then you have to go to the definition and prop. If you want to do the domain, boundary, edge, anything you can do. So I'm just selecting domain prop. In domain prop I am taking the maximum value of temperature and update result. So here you can see the variation of temperature. If I want to take the average, then this is the average temperature variation with respect to time in your problem. Okay, If you want to draw the plot in next window, so you can plot it by doing same. This is the first plot in new window, so you will get this in new window. You can change the color from here. Likewise, color table uniform. Likewise, thermal. Okay. You can change the description of this particular expression from here. You can give the title by writing the title name here. You can give the range, color range. There are so many things. Wireframe, symmetrized, reverse color table. Okay, you can do lots of things here.